Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we're tracking persistently hot weather over the northeastern part of South Africa. Heatwave conditions continue for Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with no indication of cooling over the next while. We are, however, expecting thundershowers over the interior over the next day or so, with cooler weather and the possibility of light rain along the east coast on Friday. You'll see thundershowers popping up in the northeast on Wednesday afternoon on our satellite, with cloud and moisture starting to move in from the northwest, resulting in partly cloudy conditions over the western part of South Africa. It'll be another hot day over South Africa's interior, with heatwave conditions continuing in the northeast. Thundershowers are forecast from the northwest all the way through to the east coast, with partly cloudy and dry weather over the western part of South Africa. But a cold front brushes along the coast, bringing in the possibility of evening rainfall. Hot weather continues all the way through to Friday, with heatwave conditions continuing all the way into the weekend. We'll see thundershowers from the northwest all the way through to Gauteng and Mpumalanga. We're also expecting thundershowers for KwaZulu-Natal, with the possibility of light rain along the eastern Cape Coast and cooler conditions over that part of South Africa. Things remain partly cloudy and dry in the west, though, with warmer conditions in the forecast for the Western Cape. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with isolated thundershowers from the northwest all the way through to the east coast, and here's that evening rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. Fresh winds are forecast over the central and eastern part of the Northern Cape, with a southwesterly wind all along South Africa's coastline. Strong winds are expected for Port Elizabeth, with light winds over the northeastern parts. Here's that sizzling hot weather, with a scorching hot afternoon for Uppington and Mbombela, both in the low 40s. We head into the mid-30s for Mahikeng, Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, and Kimberley and Pretoria top 37 degrees. Heatwave conditions, and with that comes the risk of dehydration, heat exhaustion and heat stroke. So we are advising you to please stay out of the sunshine in the heat of the day. Try and drink lots of water throughout the day, and if you are heading outdoors, wear sunscreen and loose clothing. We're forecasting mild weather for Port Elizabeth and Cape Town, though, at 22 degrees, and Pietermaritzburg tops 33. With the temperatures remaining hot during the day, we're expecting a warm night in the northeast, with a minimum of around 20 degrees for Pretoria and Mbombela, 17 for Polokwane and Dar, 18 degrees for Johannesburg, in the mid-teens for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, as well as along the eastern Cape Coast. Cape Town and George both dropped to 13 degrees overnight, with a minimum of 3 for Sutherland. Our extended forecast for Friday shows hot weather still over the interior, but with thundershowers mainly for the Highveld and KwaZulu-Natal. You'll see cooler weather and some light rain along the eastern Cape Coast, with a mostly sunny and warm day for Cape Town at 27, but that's ahead of a cold front, which brings in cooler weather and some light rain over the southern parts on Saturday. We're still forecasting some drizzle along the east coast, with yet another partly cloudy, hot and dry day over South Africa's interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.